This video is for those who said they don't have WhatsApp on their phone, so I will be taking you through how you can start using WhatsApp right on your phone. And with this video guide, you will get to learn how you can get it done the right way. So let's dive in. Before you start registering your WhatsApp number, you need a number that you will need to have on your phone. So let that number be on your phone, then you go straight to Play Store and download WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp. Just go to Play Store, type WhatsApp here, then the first one that pops up, you might see WhatsApp, you might see WhatsApp Business, but you are to download normal WhatsApp for a start. Then you click on it and click on install. Allow it to install on your phone, and once it's installed, you have something like this that will be showing you to open. The next thing is for you to click on that open and allow it to open. So by the time you open this, you should have write your number out somewhere, or you copy it on your clipboard for you to make use of. Make sure the number is correct so that when it will be verified, it will go directly. Then the next thing now is for you to pick English or any language you are using. If you are using Hausa, whatever language, then you agree to the terms and condition of WhatsApp. Click on agree. Then the next interface you'll be having is where you will need to input your number. So here your number and your country. You can see I'm a Nigerian. I am from Nigeria and it's already showing Nigeria. But if you are not from Nigeria, just click on that arrow down and pick wherever you are from. You can see we have different country. From different country you can use WhatsApp. So once you pick your country, it will allow WhatsApp to dictate your country code. Yes, there's something we call country code. Talking about country code, that is another topic for today. So this is our country code as a Nigerian. For those who might not know, the country code for us is 2+234. That is it. So whenever you're using this +234, you don't need to input your first zero that is on your number. That +234 has over carry that first zero. That is what it means. Sorry for that. So you just paste your number here and you set it properly. Once you input that, the next thing you need to do is to click on next. Allow it to synchronize and you will be having this interface where they will ask you, is this number correct? Then you say yes, this is my own number and it's correct. Then you say yes and click on next to move to the next interface where they are going to be verifying your number. So if you have not verified it before, it will ask you to pick mine has been verified. That's how you see verified. It will ask you to input the code. They are going to send a code to that number on your phone. So you go there, copy that code and come and paste it here for them to verify it. So if you are not getting the code, you can use other options. You are going to see other options there that will say phone call. Yes, so that is the best option I prefer. So once you click on it, they are going to call you. They will call that your number to give you the code. You write the code down and input it to verify it. Then you'll be having this exact interface that I'm having, which is verified. Then the next thing is for you to click on continue and click on next. Now you are going to be having this profile info where you need to input your details. So the next thing is for you to input the name you want to use, to input your name. So to contact and media To easily send message and photos to friends and family, allow WhatsApp to access your contact photo and other media. Yes, if you did not allow this, each time you want to send picture to someone, this thing will keep up pop pumping up. So I will just click continue. I will allow it, then you click on allowed, like that. If you want to send pictures of your products or anything you are selling to someone, then it will go. Oh, sorry. And the next thing is for you to input your name and pick the particular picture that you want to use. So you just allow that. I wanted this place to show for me to, that was why click on that skip. So here you input the name you want to use. You input your name, whatever name, be you want to use your personal name or your whatever name you want to input here though. So you input it, then the picture, you can see I have a picture here. What you need to do is to click on this place and it will take you to your gallery. You pick wherever you want to pick the picture from, and boom, you will be having your gallery where you can pick any kind of picture that you want to make use of. I hope you understand this. If you understand to this extent, drop I understand in the comment section for me. Then the next thing, after picking that picture that you want to use, you just click on next. Once you click on next, you give it some time to synchronize and give you access to start making use of your WhatsApp. Pass like that. You can see that. So you are going to give it time. As you are giving it time, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel. Drop your question, any question you have related to this, drop it, or that is outside of this, feel free to drop it in the comment section for me. You can see once it loads up like that, it will give you a blank interface. So mine is having this because I already have this contact this on my phone. That is why it's showing. So don't say I did not see anything. It will be showing you blank. If your phone screen is black, it will be showing black. If your phone screen is white, it will be showing white. Then you can start navigating through chats, updates, community. If you want to call someone, all of this, you go through it and you make use of it the right way. So for you, if you want to start to message someone, just click on that plus sign that is there and it will load up all your contacts for you. You can see you're going to have all your contacts to have access to message them. You click on this plus sign here and it loads your contact. You click on the person and start sending message. That is how to make use of your normal WhatsApp on your phone. If this video has given you some value, don't forget to like, share, and drop your comments. I will be glad to help. Thank you and bye for now.